Passenger cabin. The standard interior configuration of the CRJ offers roomy 2x2 seating for 50 passengers with a center aisle that provides 6 foot 1 inch or 1.87 meters of standing room. The passenger cabin incorporates the use of thermal and acoustic insulation as well as vibration isolators to keep noise to a minimum. A number of different cabin configurations are available. Major features of the cabin include hot and cold galley, 1 or 2 lavatories, 1 or 2 flight attendant station, storage compartments and closets. Passenger amenities. The passenger seats are equipped with a recline adjustment. A fold-down table is located in the back of each seat. Overhead storage compartments are installed on both sides of the passenger cabin. Lightweight hinge doors enclose the passenger's luggage during flight. The passenger service units, or PSU, are installed above the passenger seats. The PSU provide the passengers with reading lights, air conditioning Gasper outlets, attendant call button and call light, no smoking and seatbelt signs, drop-down oxygen masks, PA speaker. Galley. The galley contains ovens, a water heater, and a coffee maker. The galley equipment also includes trolleys, waste trolleys, and containers. An optional number 2 galley is located aft of the galley service door. Flight attendant station. The flight attendant station is located forward of the passenger door. Controls are provided at the station to operate the passenger address system, passenger cabin lighting system, optional boarding music and pre-recorded message system, supplementary galley heating, passenger door assist motor. The rearward-facing flight attendant seat is mounted on a track assembly. When not in use, the seat slides into the forward wardrobe. An aft flight attendant station is offered as optional equipment.